In this lesson, we're going to be looking at the progress and the gauge bar. So let's start with progress. So the progress tag represents the completion task of a task. You're going to have come across it before, whether it's stuff being loaded, downloaded, or anything similar to that. So let me just do a H1, and we'll just put the progress element in our header. So that's a H1. Now you mainly use labels, so we're going to say for, and we'll say it's a download one, so we're going to call it, give it a for file. So it's same as saying it's for a file that's downloading. And let's say download in progress and just give it R, bit of space in there. So that's the label, and then you can see download in progress. And then we're going to use our progress bar, or tag I should say. Now obviously we gave it a label of for a file, and we're going to give it the ID file. So we're linking these together, and then let's say the value, so it's at 52%. And you also have to give it a max. So let's say 100 max, let's say it's 100%. But you can have different values in there. And let's just put 32. And then we'll close that off with the progress close tab. So if we save that, so there you can see that it's actually given us a progress bar because we set it at 32%. Well, that's what we've represented, because we said the full max of that is a value of 100, and we'll set it at 32. But obviously, if I change that to 1000 and save it, it's going to be a lot lower because the whole bar is 1000 and 32 is way down here. And then you use JavaScript to interact with this progress bar to make it go up as things are downloading or whatever it is you're doing. So that is mostly used for anything that's in progress and you need to monitor how long it takes. I mean, these days things are that quick. This will just go zoom and be flashing on the screen before you have a chance to even see what it do. If you've got big things, obviously it'll take a bit longer. It can represent disk space. Say like you're doing a photo web page and someone's using it and has got an account with you and they've only got so much, say 1 gig. If they've used half of it, then you can display this and say you've used 50% of your disk space, and you can just give them this progress bar and just name it differently for whatever you need to. Now, having said all that, you should really use a different one for things you're measuring for a given range for like disk space. You can use this progress thing, but it's not something that's been actually changing. There is actually another one you can use called the meter tab, which is for gauges. But you can use either, and people do, but it's using the right thing for the right purpose. Again, let's just do a H1 tag and just put a meter element in there and save that. So again, you should use the label, and let's say we'd say it's for, and we'll just say disk. So you got a D drive, or they're using something. Let's change that to disk usage. So disk usage, D drive. So there's the label. So instead of using progress, we'd use the meter tag. And the ID for this, to link it to this label above, is this D underscored. Value 0.6, and this is a bit different. Let's say 60%, and we'll end that tag. Let's save that. Now this is a bit different, obviously it displays differently to the one above, the progress bar. This one is out of 100. As you can see, we can't declare a max value for the whole progress bar, so this is always a percentage or 100%. So that's the two tags we're learning in this video. So you've got the meter tag and you've got the progress bar. So you should use the meter tag, which defines a known range or a fractional value, also known as a gauge. So you should use the meter, and then if a progress is an operation and this needs to move, then you should use the progress bar and interact it with JavaScript. Although both would probably be interacted with JavaScript, but this one would move more. It's an operation that's carrying on, but this is more of a static percentage thing. Obviously it would change, but I hope you understand the difference between the two. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If I could ask a favour to help support this new channel, that you hit that subscribe button and then select all on the bell for future videos that are coming out. And then I'd appreciate if you also hit the like button. This will help the channel grow, and then I shall carry on doing videos as I know they're being watched and appreciated. And then can you also check out the website that I'm just briefly going to show you. So this is the website that I've created to help with this course. You obviously see it's BF Creations. Down in the download section, you'll see that there are some download sheets. And simply for each one, you just click on the download and it will appear up in the corner, and it will download to your PC or laptop or whatever you're using. Thanks for watching this video, and I shall see you in the next one.